Okay guys, welcome back to another Supercar Specifics. My name is Jared and TCS. The weather's turning good, so hopefully it'll be good when we get to spot number 1. Hopefully the sun stays out. So I'm just waiting for the bus now and we'll head to spot. I'll do an intro from there as well, you guys. So the sun is fighting to come out, so we're gonna go see what we can get. We just arrived at spot number 1, so we'll POV over there to see what we can get. You never know. It hasn't been the best weather, but we'll give it a shot, you guys. And can someone from Volkswagen Canada please, for the love of God, bring the Scirocco R to Canada? Okay, I just heard something rolling in, you guys, so I'm gonna go see what it is. Please like, share, and subscribe. POV to spot number 1. Spotted the sick black 570S, so gonna film that really quick and then I'm gonna head to spot number 2, you guys. It's sick. What is up? Hey, holy, how you doing? Holy, 600 LT lava orange. Wow. Ventador S. Oh. Okay, look at this, you guys. The 570. Sick. Wow, Z28. That's sick. Oh, Turbo S right behind it. Look at that calling in. That is so sick. Okay guys, finally got to spot number 1 before I could even get here. Sick McLaren. So the sun's out, cars are out, we're gonna see what we can get. And as I was saying before, can someone from VW Canada please bring the Scirocco R to Canada? I need to see one of those things in real life. They are absolutely amazing. It's sunny, so we're gonna see what we can get, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. The 993. This is gorgeous. Wow. Huracan. Amg Gtr Roadster. Channel favorite, Blue Potsy F12. Sick. Oh, it's Kermitis! Roger. Yes, it's the Alpha 9 GTR. That's sick. Wow. No way. You guys remember my buddy Straight Pipe GTRS? Sick. Dude, that thing is sick. This guy is a beast. He's got a beast exhaust. Ooh. Nice guy. Ooh, that's sick. DB11 is back.
Like if she like had to go back to her house.
That is crazy. Dude, that's a pretty sick C8, all black. With wheels. You're too slow on this thing. Amg Gtr Roadster. Wow.